Hey you guys, so today's video is going to be a little different. I will be showing you all the process of a retwist and style on my husband's hair. You can watch this and hopefully get a little inspiration and try it yourself. You want to start with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. That's what it was looking like at the beginning. These are the products that you're going to need. I am also going to list them down below in my description box. This is just me showing you a picture of what it looked like untwisted and how it looked twisted. Now this next clip is going to show you all how to prepare a roll. It's not perfect, but y'all should be able to see. I'm spraying water on the hair because I find it easier to twist when there is water on the hair or if the hair is damp. When the hair is not damp, it is a little bit less soft to work with. So I recommend getting a spray bottle. You can get these at like Dollar Tree or Dollar General, even your hair store, but you don't have to pay a lot for these. Also, I like using the hair spray bottle because if you see shampoo or conditioner build up in the lock, you can spray the section with some water and work that conditioner off using a towel or the comb. Here, I'm just cleaning up his parting to try to get that as straight as possible. Sometimes when the new growth grows over a long period of over a month, the hairs start to tangle. So I like to clean up the parting. And I'm using the mango with a twist of lime gel. I will be trying the wax on the next twist if I can get that product. But I like to start with the wet hair as you see me spraying. And then I use the mango with a twist of lime gel. Have that link down below. And I coat the top and bottom of the hair near the root of the hair where the new growth is. And this time around, I was not afraid to be generous with the gel because I wanted to basically capture all the hair there and make it stay. And I start by doing a twisting method, kind of like a roll and twist for the root. And I just keep on twisting until all of the hair that grew out is nice and tight. You see me kind of like doing a pinching method with my finger and rolling just to ensure that that's tight. And once I get it to the desired tightness, I will seal it with a little bit more of the gel. And then you'll see me begin to do the palm roll method, which I am still very new to this, but it's basically just a way to seal your new growth to the ends of the hair. I will be showing y'all how I do this again on that whole row, but I'm going to speed it up a little bit after I do like the first two. But I would say if this video is not beginner friendly enough, to just look for how to retwist as I did, and it will give you a couple of examples. But I decided to film mine because there weren't actually a lot of examples that showed the process, so I tried to include it here for you guys. So here again, you see me cleaning up the parting. And you can use your rat tail comb. I recommend a rat tail comb because the precision of a rat tail is just a little bit better than the wood tip type combs. But you just want to kind of make sure that there's a clear mark for your parting. And then I'm basically doing the same thing. I put gel on the root and on the bottom. I'm doing kind of like a roll and twist method. And I'm bringing it around in a circle, kind of using my finger. Hard to explain, but I think better explained once you see it. And then once I get it down to the desired twisting, I start doing the roll between my hands with the palm roll. Now, the other thing that I want to mention is how you clip the hair. The first time I did this, I clipped it towards the middle. This time, I clipped it towards the root. This time, I tried to clip it a little bit further down towards the middle point of where the new growth was done. And the twist was like twisted to help keep that in place. As y'all can see, this is what the new growth was looking like, untwisted. I would decide to get a little bit closer so y'all could see that versus the area where I've twisted. So after seeing that, I zoom back out to show you, because I know this angle, I did film this in 4K, but I don't know how well it's picking up the difference between the way it looked before I twisted it and the way that it looked after. But I'm just repeating that same process where I'm twisting at the root and I'm just kind of rolling it around, sealing with that gel once I get to the point of where I feel like I've gotten it twisted past on the new growth. And then I do the rolling method with the palm. And then you just want to clip that in place to keep it from coming apart and just hold it down sturdy. Now, the reason why we bought a dryer this time is the first time that we did his hair at home, I didn't have a dryer. I am going natural too, so I wanted to start doing deep conditions, hot oil treatments, and different things using the hooded dryer the same way that I would at the salon. So I decided to get this one off Amazon. I am going to link the one that I purchased down below. At the time when I purchased this particular dryer, I paid under $60 for it. So, I mean, I'm not going to tell you that you have to wait for it to go down to that price. But when it was first put in my cart, it was a little higher. And I just felt like that was too much. So I waited for it to go down. So here I'm just repeating that same process. I do think that the gel helps. And what I didn't show in the video here, because I actually went live the same day, I'll link that live video down below and the timestamp if y'all want to see it. But once you finish doing all of the twists, you want to put some mousse over the top of the hair, and that's going to help seal in any loose hairs as well. And I'm just going to speed that up just a little bit. That's finna sit under the dryer. What? Okay. My bad. Alright.
Since I got them, I definitely want to get the...
this is on live, y'all.
I want to get the tips.
Live saw it first.
I want to get the tips colored. So, eventually. Probably not the whole thing, because I like my black. Like, I love having it black. But I do want to add some color in eventually.
It's hard to see now because the sun got dark. My client wanted plaits, you guys.
Yep.
He loves it.